Hello everyone, welcome back on SCIEXPO. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to use Zotero in 8 simple steps. Zotero is the best reference management software, therefore it ranks first among the top 5 reference management softwares. So any further ado, let's get started. Zotero comes in two different versions. First one is the online version called browser version, and second one is a PC or laptop version, it's called offline version. Step 1. First, we need to go to Zotero websites and do registration, create a new account for new users, ID and passwords for Zotero account. First step, we need to go to Zotero websites, zotero.org. Just search on Google search, just do Google search and search Zotero and first open the zotero.org, click on that, it will open up new windows called zotero.org. Then we need to create a user ID and password for your Zotero library. Just top right side corner is the login button is there, click on that login and new windows will occur and that will of information is the user login information is the user email ID and password. If you don't have user and password, just click on register for free account. This will open up new web page where you have to fill your details, username, whatever username you wish to fill here. Then you have to fill your register email address, then your choice of your password, just and then click on I am not robot. Once you do that, then it's a register for your register as a user for Zotero library. Once you do that, then you are going to offline mode and install the Zotero for your system. Zotero is available in the Mac, Windows and Linux versions. Whatever your machine, just click on download button, machine will take care of that. You download appropriate version according to your system operating system and install the that PC version on your system and following the simple installation steps. Next and finish, you are done. Next step is to log in your offline version 2. Note that internet on while using the setting of your using time. Then you have to log in that version. For that you have to click on that. Have to click on Zotero icon and open the Zotero icon, and Zotero will open in your PC. I have previously installed Zotero in my laptops, so it's divided into three parts. First part is your library and your library content in second part. Third part is your bibliography or your metadata of your manuscripts. Whatever you manuscript you are adding into your library. So first example is just check it on your inbox. In my library inbox, you find here inbox is a different manuscripts added here. So I click on the one of the articles and just see the metadata is open in the left right corner, right side of the windows, right side of the windows, right. Similarly you can add a different folder for each libraries, different projects, right. So for the login for information, I have to go to for this icon button. You need to first of all you need to add connector in the browser. For that purpose you need to search Zotero connector, Zotero for Chrome. Here is the Zotero for Chrome is there, and click on that Zotero connector. This will open up the Zotero extension connector for adding for your Chrome browser. So I am going to add already added here. So it shows remove from Chrome. So if you need your case, you need to click on that, add your extension and finish it. Once you do that, it will open up your this icon will show on your tab bar of your browser. Once you've done that, Then you need to search for connector for word. Then installing the Zotero word processor plugin. So click on that. This will open up new window and it's give result about the installation of the word plugin. Click on that the word processor plugin first one, and it will download some information using the Zotero word plugin. Click on that. Installing the word plugin. Click on the installing. So here you will see that manually installing Zotero Word plugin processor plugin. So Zotero Word plugins will be install automatically into the Word or most users. If you don't see the Zotero toolbar in Word, what you should attempt to reinstall the your Zotero. Okay, so plugin for site or word processor of the Zotero preferences. Let's see in the my word page. You'll find it or not. See here, Zotero plugin is automatically added into my Word file office. Whatever word you document is opening in this Zotero sign will be there. So for adding your citation, so I'm just copy these things, paste it in. See, so I am going to add here. So I'm going to insert a citation on this. Okay, so I'm going to citation add here. Okay, for that purpose, I am going to first I'm going to search about rice scented variety. So it's open up new windows. Here is a basmati rice variety is there. So I click on that. This will open up your manuscript page or your publications, whatever your choice you are searching on the internet. So here is the top right corner. You will see the here is a article icon is there. Zotero article icon is there, right? So you click on that. Once you click that article, so this article automatically save into the your article metadata article. Once you click that article, this article is automatically article metadata and article are automatically save into the Zotero library. See, this article is added into your Zotero library. If you want to see that a PDF is available, if PDF is free, then it's going to automatically download. Otherwise, it's to download the metadata information, your reference citation information. So I'm going to click on the this web library articles. This will open up new PDF. Open the new PDF of this article. See, this article is see this article automatically downloaded in our Zotero web library. I'm already added this manuscript here, right? So I am going to add this citation. What is called Sing Pusa Basmati is the title of these articles. So I'm going to search Pusa Basmati, or you are going to sing on Vijay Pal Singh. Okay, whatever your preferences. So I'm going to search Vijay Pal here. First, it's open up new window. It's called what citation you going to prefer for adding here. So I'm going to simply search on Springer author basic style of your citations. I'm going to click on OK. So if you like a different one like plus one nature, whatever you can like, so you can add as per your preference. If you don't like this one, you have to different citation, then I have to go to manage your style. then it's open up new browser windows for your adding your citations right here. So you'll find here additional styles. It will open up new windows. It will give you around so thousands of your citation styles here. According to your choice, you can design style from here. Just click on the tab author you want, and you are just like basic, generic, basic. Then this style according to your choice is it will show here. Just click on that, just deselect it. It will open up again. So whatever you filled you are interested, then it will open citation according to your choice, right? And once you click, suppose I want author date. So author date related article citation style is below. I'm going to select acta analytica. It's not in the downloaded, so I'm going to download that one, acta analytica. Click on that. See, so acta analytica may be downloaded or not. So again I'm going to do that. So author date. Here acta analytica, click on that. It is going to download the thing. See, automatically added to your library of your citation style library. So click on that, and once you click on that, you have to hit OK. So automatically they select the citation library according to that. So I'm going to change that one. I'm going to use basic author date and click on OK. And now I'm going to insert the citation. So citation style I'm going to add here. Search author, what it's called, citation name Vijay Pal. I'm going to search here Vijay Pal. Vijay Pal. So it's start searching here. It's not getting your right choice to the Zotero. So I'm going to Vijay Pal. So spelling is mistakes. So I'm going to change the Vijay Pal. So see, password rise comes up. I'm going to click on that. So it comes to your citation. Sim Ital according to your selection of citation style, and then you're going to hit enter. See, citation is automatically add in your manuscripts. And now I'm going to add multiple citations here, and click on there. I'm going to add multiple citations, and I'm going to add a similar Vijay Pal. Seeing is Basmati, and I'm going to add Rajiv. See, Rajiv. I'm going to search rice. Different article whatever available related to rice, it shows me here. See, every title of this whatever article is here, there is a rice is mentioning over there. So I'm going to add different suppose this one. I'm going to select this one. Again I'm going to select drought GST. So I'm going to add anupama. See, added. I'm going to, you can add more than whatever you want, what number you want. Just click on enter. See, all the citations here are added here. Once you've done that, you are adding citation. Now I am going to add the bibliography here. So I keep distance here. I'm going to here bibliography or references. Just click on this button, magic button. See, automatically whatever reference is added according to your choice. Now I'm going to change the style as per my requirement of general requirements. So I'm going to here document preferences, and I'm going to change the size style according to my general preference. I'm going to select Acta Analytica and click on OK. It will take some times and it changes according to your choice. See, strategy style has been changed according to your journal. Now again I am going to change the style according to another journal. If you want to go to nature, I am going to go to nature and click on net, and it's changes. See, number is highlighted. See, number is changed. So citation style now changed to author date to number numerical order. Right? I hope you guys understand all these things. That's all about this video. I hope you guys understand and able to apply in your manuscripts. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel SCIEXPO.